Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in the far lands of Kiserian. And as you all know, my name is Mongai Kihara. Kiserian is one of the best places if you want to enjoy your nyama choma. And if I was a food blogger, ningesema in a slap. Behind me is a 5-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a print area of 280 square meters. This unit has been done on a 50 by 100 lot of land, and the unit has breathtaking views, especially if you are in the primary bedroom. The unit comes with a 4-car parking, and the space will be enough, especially if you have several V8s. On my far front, you have your front yard, and you get a strip of flowers that joins the front yard to the back yard. Next to the backyard, you have your kitchen garden. Before I show you anything else, I need to show you something. This is a Lifan LF 150 GY3A, and if you enjoy racing, you know this is a gem. On this side, you have the entrance porch, and as you can see, it is a big space, especially if you have a big family. The entrance porch can be used for any other purposes, like you can sit here and enjoy the morning sunshine. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the unit. The facade is welcoming. The unit comes with a double door just to make sure that it is very easy for you to get in your furniture, and it is a metal casement door to make sure that your security has been kept on check. Come with me. Wow, 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 wow. This is a beautiful living room. I like it that it comes with 2 center lights, and they have been lowered to act like small chandeliers. From there, you can see that the gypsum ceiling has been done very well. The craftsmanship, the mix of colors, and the lighting system is on another level. During the day, you are getting your natural light from these 3 windows and the transparent door, making sure that you are enjoying the view that you can see right now without necessarily having the lights on. Let me turn them off. On this level, the unit comes with the guest bedroom. You have the common washroom, which is on your way to the upper level, the dining room, and as you can see, it is big enough to fit a 6-seater all the way to a 9-seater dining set. It comes with a small vanity here, a big mirror to make sure that you are enjoying how you look when you are washing your hands, and the dining area is opening to the kitchen. And after I've shown you the kitchen, I'll take you to the upper level where you'll see the other 4 bedrooms. From there, you can see that the kitchen is massive. I like that it comes with the grey granite countertops, which are blending very well with the rest of the colors in this kitchen. The cabinetry have been partitioned very well, and you are getting a double sink, which is just next to the window. One thing that I love about this kitchen is that it comes with the golden strips that you are getting here, and I have seen most of these in the Dubai homes. I don't know why it is in Kenya, but maybe it proves that we are still in planet Earth. On my far front, you have the pantry of this unit, and right now the developer is using it as the store of his equipments. From the kitchen, we are on the backyard, and on my far left, this is where you have your kitchen garden. On my far front, you have the septic, and on this other side, you have a small gate that leads you to the other side of the estate. The kitchen of this unit can be accessed through 2 accesses. You have this access that is in the dining area, and you have this other access that can be used by the people who are in the bedrooms area or the living room. Below the staircase, you have the common washroom, and it is a replica of all the other washrooms that I'll show you in this unit. The staircase will take you to the upper level, but before we go to the upper level, let's see the guest bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. It is big enough for a 4x6 or 5x6 bed. It comes with 2 big windows for maximum natural light, and this side has been reserved for your closets. I like it that the closets are floor to ceiling. They come with 2 drawers down there, and as you can see, the spaces will be enough for all your guests' clothes. The guest bathroom is here. It is not the biggest, but it is a replica to another bathroom that I'll show you on the bedroom above this one. From here, I'll take all of you to the upper level. Before we get to the upper level, you can see that the staircase is very well lit because it is getting a ton of light from this massive long window. As I mentioned earlier, this unit is a 5-bedroom unit and the other 4 bedrooms are on this level. On my left hand side, you have the first and the second bedroom and they share that balcony that is on my far front. On my left hand side, you have the third and the primary bedroom, and we will see those later after we have seen this. This is bedroom number 1 on this level. It is not the biggest, but it is big enough for one of your kids. It comes with the smallest window, and as much as the window is enough to give you natural light, I'm very sure most of you would prefer a bigger window. This bedroom comes with its bathroom here, and the bathroom comes with a wash basin at the entrance and your WC. This other side has been reserved for your bathroom area, and it is a space where you can do a shower curtain here and enjoy a mini shower cubicle. The second bedroom on this side is directly opposite to the first bedroom, and from there you can see that this bedroom is massive compared to the first one that we just saw. The only thing that is similar is that this one comes with almost the same size of closet. The partitionings are the same and its bathroom is here. The bathroom is adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw in the first bedroom. The only difference is the size of the bedroom and the size of the window. From here, I'm taking you to the third bedroom, and later we will see the fourth and the final bedroom on this level. From here, you'll join me in the third bedroom and we'll try to see if there is a difference compared to the other 2 bedrooms that we just saw. As I mentioned, that this bedroom is a replica of the guest bedroom that we saw on the lower level. The only difference is that this bedroom comes with a massive window on this side. The closet is also floor to ceiling and the bathroom is on my far front. The bathroom to this bedroom and the other one to the guest bedroom are the tiniest, and I think they are targeting the very small kids. From here, you will join me as we explore the primary bedroom. Comparing to all the other bedrooms, this is one of the biggest primary bedrooms that we have seen in a 5-bedroom unit. I like it that it comes with 2 closets. And I think when the developer was doing this, he was planning for you to have your closet on this side and your wife or your partner to have their closet on this other side. On top of that, the developer gave you a dresser, and next to it you have the primary bathroom. Let's see that first. I like the size of the primary bathroom. I like it that the developer has given a provision of a bathtub. You have your WC at the center, and behind the door you have the wash basin. One thing that I have come to like about this unit is that the compartments of all the closets have been done very well. And if you have many types of clothes, they will easily fit in these closets because you have spaces for the hangable clothes, drawers for the tiny garbage, and some spaces for the foldable clothes. This bedroom comes with its balcony here, and the balcony faces the front side of the unit. The primary balcony is the biggest, and I like it that the developer made sure that he raised this bus to this level just for security purposes. Even if you have tiny kids, it will be very hard for them to jump outside. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. As we mentioned earlier, the price for this unit is 14.9 million. So if you want to purchase it, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. And as always, remember to subscribe to this channel and like this video. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.